Replacing the printhead on a ZT411 series printer. Turn off the printer and disconnect the power cord and data cables. Connect yourself to an anti-static device. Place the printer on a grounded anti-static mat. Open the media door. Slide the printhead latch forward until the large holes align with the printhead locking posts. Open the print mechanism. Pull the printhead out of the upper print mechanism. Disconnect the power and data cables. Remove the printhead. Connect the new printhead to the power and data cables. Slide the printhead cable back into the printhead cable cover. Lower the toggle. To lock the printhead into place, press down on the print mechanism and slide the printhead latch toward the back of the printer. Open the printhead. Clean the printhead. Close the printhead. Reconnect the AC power and all data cables. Turn on the printer.